What a lovely day in the garden.
The flowers are so pretty.
They are.
Thank you. Mom, Dad, look at these flowers. They sparkle.
They are
They
beautiful.
whisper secrets. Come on.
Right behind you.
Yay, this is so much fun. We're so happy you're happy, sweetie.
Keep clapping, buddy.
And then the rabbit found a magical garden. Wow, was like this one?
It sounds beautiful, dears.
Mom, look at the fireflies.
They're so beautiful, aren't they?
A perfect evening.
I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
We love you too, sweetie. Always, my dear. What a perfect day for a picnic.
It really is. Everything looks delicious.
I love picnic. Ready? Here it goes. It's flying so high. I'll catch it. They're having so much fun.
Being together like this is so nice.
I love our family time.
Me too, my dear.
It's the best. Wow, look at all the sparkly drops. They're so pretty. This is the best. Yeah, I love it. Mommy, I picked these for you.
Oh, they're beautiful, sweetie. Thank you.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. In the heart of the forest, the fairy appeared.
A fairy. What did she look like?
She had shimmering wings. They're having such a wonderful time.
They are. It's moments like this.
I know, it fills my heart.
And then the rabbit found a magical garden. Wow, was like this one?
It sounds beautiful, dears.
Mom, look at the fireflies.
They're so beautiful, aren't they?
A perfect evening.
Wow, look at all these butterflies. They're so beautiful. One landed on my hand.
These flowers are growing so well.
I'm going to wear my hat. You look lovely, dear.
A perfect day.
Wow, feel that wind. It's like magic. Look, the flowers are dancing. This is the best. Mom, Dad, look, I drew our family.
Wow, that's beautiful, sweetie.
It's wonderful, dear. We love it.
The sun is so warm. I could sit here forever.
Me too, kids.
Yay, this is so... I love it. Clap again. Yay, more magic. Wow, look at all the flowers.
They're amazing. I've never seen so many colors.
Let's go see them up close.
What a magical sunset.
It's glowing, so pretty.
It is. A perfect evening.
Wow, look at this place. It's so beautiful. I feel so happy. Let's explore.
What a peaceful day.
It is so lovely.
Look, a magical petal. Wow, it's glowing.
What a perfect day for this.
It really is. I'm so glad we're all here.
Me too. This is fun.
The sunset is so beautiful today.
It really is. I love this light.
Me too.
Wow, look at that. The sky is so beautiful today. Look, fireflies.
They're so beautiful.
Like magic.
Wow.
Everything will be all right, my dear.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, sweetie.
Mom, Dad, I have something important to tell you.
We're listening, sweetie.
Go on, dear.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yes, it's so beautiful.
I'm so happy.
And then the dragon flew right over the castle. Everyone cheered so loudly the ground shook. It was the best adventure ever.
The roses are especially lovely today.
They are. Just like you.
I finished the drawing all by myself. Did you see it? I worked really hard. This is so fun!
The sky is so beautiful today.
Yes, and the flowers are blooming so nicely.
Look what I found!
The breeze is so lovely tonight.
Yeah, it feels nice!
Perfect evening.
It is. Wow, this is amazing! Yes, it's so beautiful! I'm so happy! Wow, look at that! It's so beautiful! I love you, Dad!
I love you too, my boy.
This is the best day!
With you is, sweetie.
This grass feels so fresh. Yeah, and the flowers are blooming. It's so peaceful.
Look at these lovely flowers.
Wow, they're so pretty.
They are for you.
Thank you, Mom. Mom, Dad, I have to tell you something. I found a secret place in the woods.
Oh, wonderful!
The grass is so soft today. And look at all these pretty white flowers. It's a perfect afternoon. Daddy, the flowers are so pretty. I saw a butterfly. It landed on them.
That's wonderful. Tell me more.
Wow, this is amazing. Yes, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy.